Won in straight sets against the Farm Fresh Foxes. Coach, congratulations on this victory. What can you say about the team's performance?
Mostly lumabas yung kung ano yung tinitrain namin. So, we work as one, especially the leadership cut bell. All we need to do is ring the bell. That's good. That's all we need to do.
Thank you, Coach. And Kat, welcome back to Manila. How does it feel to be able to play on the Tyreflex again?
It feels so great to be back here. You know, I've been waiting to come back since 2020, and it's been such a blessing to be able to come back and obviously play for Cherry, for sure.
Thank you. For open for questions.
Kat, it's a new team and new field for you. What can you say about the big change in your comeback here in Manila after 5 years?
I feel it's almost like the same. I feel like it's the same. I'm coming with the same mentality, same like mindset. It's been amazing to come back, and the hospitality has been unreal. You know, Cherry Tigo has taken such good care of me, making sure I feel like I'm at home, and being able to come here and be able to get into the dynamic of the team really quickly. They've made it so easy for me, actually.
For Kat, you know a thing or two about winning championships here in the Philippines. There are familiar faces as well, some of your teammates, some of your opponents. So does that make it quite easier for you in your comeback now that you already know how it wins here in the Philippines?
I would say no, because it's been, like I said, 4 years, and I think everyone's game has developed and changed as well with experience. So I think it's all about just coming in, just being humble, and making sure that I'm making do my due diligence as a player and looking out for my opponent. That's for sure.
Coach, on draft picks naman po na nababad niyo rin si Karen kanina sa game. Comments na lang po, initial comments on her debut for you.
For Karen, ano naman siya, since college days niya, very steady naman yung bata talaga. So that's why, dun sa draft, swerte kami na umabot kami sa kanya. And yun nga, nagugulat din kami, walang kumukuha sa kanya noon. So nananalangin, nagdadasal kami, sana umabot. And luckily kami nakakuha ng, actually siya yung number 1 sa wishlist namin sa kasi kung di aabot, Durumal na, so and so forth. So luckily nakuha pa rin namin si Karen. And ang laki ng nung parang si Jen pa rin yung naglalaro doon eh. Kung baga ibang version lang, pero yung stability ng ground defense namin, first ball namin, mas madali yung offense namin because of the good first balls. And yun sa counter attack namin, kasi maganda yung defense.
Kat, this is your first game back in 4 years. I guess my question is, what has been the biggest change so far that you've seen when it comes to Philippine volleyball compared to you?
It's a lot faster. It's often they get merged all the leagues together and all the teams together, and the girls kind of be able to spread out among other teams, so it's a lot more competitive for sure. Yeah, the game is faster. The defense is insane. The liberos that are playing right now in this league is amazing. So speaking of Karen, I think she's absolutely stunning. Like, she's such a dog, you know, and I've enjoyed being able to play with her these last few days, and I just can't wait to see her develop even more for sure.
Coach, yung naging adjustment niyo po without yung alas figures na si Iya and Jane, kamusta naman po yung naging process of building yung team without them entering this contract?
From the day 1 naman ng training, lagi naman sila naandyan. So, yung shuffle ng team, yung every rotation, lahat naman ng ginagawa namin is para sa lahat ng especially sa mga wing spiker. Kasi ang dami yun sila. Pero yun nga, that's a good problem for us. But again, itong nangyayari na to sa laro, ito yung pinapractice lang din namin. So, yung adjustment, little adjustment, mas madali para sa amin.
May plans po ba if ever to have them back when Alas clears them, or more focusing on what you have na doing approach?
I think hindi kami nakafocus sa pagbabalik nila. We're focusing on kung anong meron kami sa loob, especially itong core na to.
For Coach and Kat, your next game is against Nextlet. They won in 5 sets earlier today. How do you feel going up against them in the next game?
I got a chance to watch a little bit, and I feel really good. You know, they're a very good competitive team. They have some really good players as well, and I think the best thing is for tonight, it's been amazing. We can enjoy it for a very temporary, short time, but tomorrow's a new day, and it's on the next point.
Yung kita namin din yung net defense nila, so we try to penetrate especially yung attack namin. Focus kami doon, pero yung siyempre mga counter measures namin, i-ready namin yun because we have also the scouting report. I think by tomorrow we will execute the small or big adjustment para sa team.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you po.